All right, I'm in a trade here. FFIE, Faraday Future Intelligent. It's going up. I caught this break here. It has had a nice upward momentum on the 1 minute chart as well as the 5 minute. Looking very good since yesterday. It's been pushing up. Buying in this range where we drew out yesterday to here, up 224%. We sold in these areas at 30%. And so we locked in some profit. It went right along with our trade plan. I bought here, sold up here, the second candle that showed signs of it pulling back, and missed out on an incredible move. Just an incredible move, guys. 220% if he held this overnight, 145% in a single day. So this company definitely moved yesterday and today after its recent news and reverse stock split. So we are trading it today. I got in here at this small breakout. I should have probably got in at this $9.80 level. Didn't. Got in here at this breakout, pulled back slightly, but we are in at 16 shares at 10.22. Actually bought two positions, one at 10.22 and one at 10.21. Right now we're currently up 5%. We were up closer to 10% just a moment ago as it did cross 11.25, gaining us an entire dollar from 10.22 to 11.25. That was $16 in profit. Should have sold there, to be honest, and got out of this position. But I do believe this may be able to go just slightly higher. So we were watching that just now. Thought I'd record this live as we are not live with the Learn to Earn team until 7:30, so we have about 10 minutes before we go live with them and trade even more. We are slightly down today. I do apologize for all my alerts. It's like Meta is going off. Let's see. Where would Meta even be at? So weird. I don't know why Meta would be going off. I don't even think I had Meta on my watch list anymore. Oh, there it is right there. I'm gonna have to go back and take out some alerts. Most definitely. All right, top gainers today. It is one of the top, I think, what's that? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top 6 today. Still above that EMA line, so this is the point where a lot of people would sell and get out, but I'm still above on my average. I'm not break even yet, and I do have a stop loss set at, well, I don't have it set, but I do have a stop loss in mind. If it breaks below this 10.05, 10.06 mark, so 10.05 would be my break even. Even 10.08 or 10.10 would be a good break even as well. You don't want to risk too much if your trade goes south. But because it's above the moving average, I don't mind. And this is a point too where a lot of people would start to buy. And you get more buying pressure, more green on the tape, and this should start moving up again if it's still bullish, right? That's 9.7% in a little run here. So let's see if we can get back up there. At this point, we may end up selling to lock in some profits, or you may have to tune in to watch our live day trading sessions where you can watch me go live Monday through Friday at market open. I know we're down a little bit today, took a couple of bad trades. We do have some open positions still, not just FFIE, but also I believe OCGN and SIRI. So yeah, looking really good. OCGN consolidating hopefully before a nice push up, but definitely breaking that trend from the immediate bounce to now consolidating before it bounces. So I'm excited to see what happens with OCGN. And then just a few shares here as Warren Buffett did buy this company. So maybe looking at this a little bit more long term. Now, I did trade some of these top gainers this morning right here. And as you can see, this did not go along with my trading plan. I bought here at this consolidation area. And honestly, if I would have held, I would still be, I'd be up about $9 if I would have held instead of selling. But this also could have sold off even more as it was getting below that EMA line. Now it's above that EMA line, so you know, it's always good to wait sometimes. Now I did try to get the breakout here, buying at the highest point of the breakout. Should have bought down at this area, didn't, and you know, could have got 19% profit. Instead, I bought at the high, ended up selling down here, tried to get back in on this next candle that pushed up at 1.3, didn't make it, sold at 117. It did continue to sell off, so I'm glad I got out of that one early. PRTG, I'm not even saying the ticker symbols. The first one was SQNS. The second one was MNTS, and then the third one we're going to talk about now is PRTG. I did see that it was going in a downward direction. I was hoping we could get some kind of a bounce pop at this SMA level. Now, it was above the SMA, the green line, but it did not quite was able to break out of that blue 45-day moving average, pushed back, tried to get this next breakout candle here, pushed back, sold on this little sell-off here, tried to buy the breakout again across that 45-day moving average when it pushed up, again got rejected, and I sold on that first green candle. So I didn't lose much. I did lose $48. This was my biggest loser today, was PRTG. MNTS only losing about $10. SQNS losing about $7, but again, I would have already been up. If I would have waited, I could have been up $8 or $9. On this one, I would have actually been down significantly more than $10. Could have easily been down $100 or so. And PRTG, same thing with this. Buying at 477, 426.50. I would have been down $50. So did really well trying to mitigate my risk and do the best I can when it came to trying to have a strategy and a trading plan, but also reduce my risk potential. Now I did hold too long on this one. I should have sold right as soon as this bounced to this first red candle, but I wanted to see what happened as it did start trailing above that SMA line, pushing up very nicely, but didn't hold very long. We're talking seconds. Couldn't even get a fill in right there. And by the time I got it filled, it was already down to that 4.6 level. So it's a little harder to trade faster during pre-market for the simple fact that you can't do market orders, sell market. You have to do limit orders, and if it doesn't hit right at that limit order, then you won't get filled, and you have to keep adjusting it, canceling, adjusting, or pushing it down. Also, there's no stop losses, stop limit, and I don't believe even trailing stop during pre-market. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little recap video. FFIE seems to be wanting to test this 45-day moving average, so hopefully it'll pop back up. If it doesn't, I'll mitigate my risk at probably like maybe even 10.20 is a nice little area to cut my losses. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick recap video. I'm going to get on with the live stream, the Learn to Earn team now, because it is about 2 minutes until market open. So thanks guys. I hope to see you guys all there, and have a good day.